Okay, looks like I have to put another dispute in with Aliexpress with shabby goods sold to me again, which don't work. And I spoke to the seller and he said he sent the goods according to Aliexpress and the rules. Didn't bother caring about that they don't work. Well, was going to offer a way to replace them. This totally ignorant reply I got back from the Chinese guy. So I have to put in dispute and have to do a video to prove that they're faulty. So this is going to be a bit tricky because I need multiple hands. So first of all, I'll put in a working thing in the socket just to prove it works. Okay. Okay, it's powered on, and I've got multimeter here, which I'm not sure. Yes, we might be able to work it. Just have to put down the phone for a minute. Okay, so positive in the middle, negative outer. So this is a working power supply I got with my phone adapter, and it should be 5 volts. Take 2. So easy to push the wrong buttons when you try. So I need 4 hands for this. So alright, so I'm touching the outer and inner on the test supply, and it says 5.23 volts. Okay, now let's put in the adapters that I was sent. So I got the adapter in, same socket, end one, and it's got a similar type plug, so I'll just set that up. And I'm touching it like the other one, and you can see here it's flicking between 1-2 volts, half a volt, which is not 5 volts. The adapter is faulty, and if I disconnect it, it should go to all zeros. Well, it should do. There you go, once it stabilizes. So if I then try and touch it on the outlets, okay, is it recording? Yep. I told you it's going to be tricky. Really tricky. This is where you need extra hands. So, touching it there, and it's doing that thing again, which means it's not working. And exactly the same for the other power adapter which I've got over the back there, which I'm going to plug in now. So unplugging that one, I'm grabbing this one. Power's on. You can see the switch down up, which means it's on. Now I need to do that again with the connectors. Okay, you can see I'm touching it. Oh, this one might be working now. That one might be working. That's really strange because it wasn't before. It just makes me wonder, it's got a loose connection. Okay, so one of them doesn't work. It's not exactly 5 volts though. So, it's a bit strange that intermittent. So could it be a connection problem? Let's try the other one again. I don't think there's any switches on these. Can't see any switches. So it looks like I might have one dud one then, and one a bit suspect. Okay, let's power it on again. Let's see if this one works. Okay, touching it again. And this one's doing exactly the same thing as before. Bouncing around the voltages. So it must have a fault inside it. Whether the faulty ones he sent me, I don't know. But it's not the first time sellers have sent return goods to me, because they weren't in the original quality of packets. It's a good way to get rid of return goods, I guess. So let's just put the other one back in just to see if it's not a fluke. Where's it gone? Okay, exactly the same as the other one. Five volts, 110 to 240 volts might be the problem. Maybe the other one works on 110 volts, but it hasn't been tested for 230. Okay, let's try that again. I did try both of them on my Google boxes that I've got over there running. You can see the remotes I got for them, and they didn't power up, so I might just try the one that's working again now. I wish they would quality check stuff before they send it. Okay. It's easy said than done with the holding. Alright, it's 4.9 volts, which might be enough to run a box. Let me just go and try it. Okay, so I just plugged it into my TV box, and sure enough, that one powers it up. So I'll just try the other one, just to prove it doesn't power it up. And no, the new one, the other one didn't work. So it looks like one of them started working, the other one hasn't. So I suppose I can only claim on one refund. which we'll work out the price in a minute. So thank you.